This is 2024 Ford Bronco. We are doing a amplifier job. On this panel in the trunk, there is a sub. To get to it, you gotta remove these 4 metal locking tabs. Remove that. This bottom panel comes out like this. Basically, you are removing these clips. They are held on with covers like that. You take that out. There are 10 mils here. You gotta take 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have done that, remove the back trim. This entire panel comes out. After that, you can pry this out by removing one more. I forgot to mention there's one more here on the top. That's for the hard top cover. So that's an 8 mil, by the way. You remove that, then you can pull this out. Behind this panel, as you can see, there's a sub and the amplifier in the back. Push the locking tab here, pull this out. The black with the white stripe plus the dual voice coil. So we're gonna put high to low right here.